so good. I'll soon have a new jacket and everything. It's going to be fantastic. I just recovered from COVID. It's been about a week and a half. I was in France for a while and I came back positive from COVID, and I've not been able, I mean, I could have gone out, but I'd rather keep my fellow citizens safe from my germs, especially since they spread so quickly, those fuckers. So yeah, not being able to ride in a while, and I was really excited to get back on the roads. Today is a nice day, I think. It's been sunny all day, but the clouds are coming now. It's clouding over. Anyway, just really miss riding and looking forward to getting back on the road. So just a quick update, I have ordered 2 new pieces of kit. So new updates, I bought a new helmet, one I've been wanting to get for a long time. I'm not going to tell you which brand or what model yet. I'll do like a little reveal type thing and see if you guys are interested. Yeah, that and a new jacket. The new jacket came, I'm sure you've seen the video. Since it was an unboxing video, so no surprise there. I'll link the video in the description, but it's a Engine Hawk Cookies and Cream jacket, UV. Been wanting this jacket for a long time. I've seen it online. When it came out, I was really interested, but I just found it a little too expensive. It was £330, whatever that is in USD. But there was sales because it's the 1-year anniversary of Engine Hawk, and I saw the sale. Got a new job, so I got a new salary, and I just thought, you know what, fuck this. Start right to be upgrading. I bought a new helmet and a new jacket. So I ordered the wrong size, unfortunately, so I had to send it back. I had to send it back to get a new size, but I did keep the armor, which actually for the time being, I've put in my trousers. Nothing weird. Relax. But I put it instead of the knee that I've got, because the D3O that I have is really thick, and it just feels really bulky and awkward in my trousers on my knees. Still talking about the armor. Yeah, I put the new one in just to check, because it's a lot thinner and a lot more malleable, and it does feel a lot better. I've got it on now, and it does feel a lot better. It's a lot more discreet too, so I don't look like I've got, you know, huge bulky jeans on it. It's a really comfortable thing. I'm thinking that I will buy a pair for my jeans and for the jacket, just so that I've got in, because it's very comfortable. It's just a lot lighter, so it's better on the body. It doesn't feel as restrictive. Looking forward to that. I sent a jacket. They came to pick it up today. They said it would be back with Engine Hawk tomorrow probably. So I might get the new jacket potentially on Saturday, maybe on Monday. My new helmet should come this month too. I've not had a real date for it, but it should come this month too. I'm thinking of upgrading a couple of things on the bike, namely handlebars. Probably put a new set of handlebars a bit higher on them, and seeing if I can get a cowl on the front, just to give it a bit more of aerodynamic, I guess, with my big fucking head and my big fucking shoulders. And, you know. I got a quote from a shop in London called Dirty Cats, so hopefully they'll be able to sort me out. They seem quite nice, and a friend of mine has had their handlebars done by them, and I contacted them and they quoted about 100 and something quid for the handlebars. I'm not sure how much they'll quote for the actual install of them, but we'll see. My main problem with that is that I want to keep my speedo in the same location, which is what's causing most of my problems when it comes to actually finding a pair of handlebars. It's difficult because most of the handlebars that I want, which are usually a bit higher, will be T-bars, so going, you know, straight into the riser, which is not what I want. So I need to find a solution to attach my speedo to, you know, the front, so I can keep it in the front. So I don't want to have to look down to check my speed. I like it the way it is right now. And that's what people do usually, but fuck it, you know, I'm not like that. So hopefully we'll get a nice upgrade on that. New helmet, new jacket. You know, gloves I'm sorted. I like the rivets I have. I don't want to change anything there. Just a little hint as to which helmet I'm getting. It is assorted with the jacket that I have. So if you know what model, if you've seen what model it is, and it might give you a little hint as to what I might be getting. Anyway, that was the update for the channel. I haven't been posting a lot because obviously my content is mostly based on the shit that happens to me on a daily basis. And if nothing happens, I'm not going to post anything just for the sake of posting, like I said before. So doesn't mean I'm not here though. You've seen that I've got a couple of videos lined up, just waiting for my shit to arrive home. So if you like the content, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Star Rider.